Difference between designing in Studio, Tinkercad, and Fusion. And we'll start in here. We're just going to do something simple, like a mug. A muggy. Change the dimensions. I don't like that. Right click, add another port. Negative cylinder. Just look at the dimensions on here. Ugh. I think I did 70, so you can go like 68, 68, 95. Move it up. That isn't gonna work. I do not recommend using this. I'm just showing you that it's possible. It's all basically eyeballing. So if you go up, slice it. Now you got a cup. And it's not going to be completely 100% accurate because you have to eyeball everything. But you can even, I don't know. Add a cube. Scale this up. Add another negative cube. And you got a silly mug. And you can clean all this up if you wanted to. And this error is because I've got two objects trying to print into each other. So if you select all, merge, that removes that error. And you got a silly mug. We go to Tinkercad, do the same thing. Your sides is what you want to go all the way up because it makes it more circular. But you can go 70, 70, 80. You can Control C, Control V, make it a whole. Tinkercad's a lot more accurate than Bambu Studio. So if you go 70, 70, you can go 65, 65. And your height, you can make it a little more precise. The 3 would be like your wall thickness for the bottom of your cylinder shape. But if you hold down Control, nope. If you hold down Shift and select them, you can group, you can align them, then group them. It's a lot more accurate. And go do a scribble. Just whatever. Done. You can move your scribble. And select them all again. You could try a line. That one. Select them all again. Group. And you got a silly mug. You can just ungroup it again. So you don't like that. Oh, that isn't right. No, sir. Control C, Control V, hollow. You know, tinkering basically. Select those two, group them. Select these two, align it. mug. There's all kinds of ways to do one thing, right? Now my preferred preference is fusion. Create a sketch, select the plane you want to draw on. I usually do this one. Draw your diameter. I don't remember what it was, so we'll just go with 60. Finish sketch. And you can extrude it. You can extrude the walls if you'd like. Do your wall thickness. 2, I guess. 70. Done. Show your sketch again. Extrude it again. Then it cuts it. You can go to join. Done. Go to your, oops. Go to the front. Create sketch. Select your plane. You could do a spleen, spline, spleen, blam. Select your points. Then join it. Finish sketch. Now if it looks silly, you can move these around. Whatever, that's good enough. Extrude. Symmetric. 5. It says cut, you can join that as well. Now you got a mug. So what I like about fusion is you could do all kinds of things, like a fillet. And then you can push pull. Oops, not that. Hold down shift, select more than one. Shift, shift, shift. Push pull, press pull, play, full, whatever. It makes it more symmetrical. Do the same down here. Press pull. If you you get an error, you can just go down till it works. And then you can round these off. And you could do fillet. You could do press pull. They're basically the same thing. I feel like when you do more than one corner on something, press pull works a lot better. But fusion is a lot better and more precise and makes your models look a whole bunch better. Than with Studio or Tinkercad. And that's it. Basically. This is why you need to use Fusion. Fusion, Fusion, Fusion. That's all. That's all I got.